Hello one and all. In this session we are going to learn the chain rule of partial differentiation. So before going to the chain rule of partial differentiation, first you know composite function. What is a composite function? So composite function is mean that a composite function is a function that is written inside another function. Once again, a composite function is a function that is written inside another function. If you observe note 1 and note 2, here z equals to u of x comma y is one function. Inside x equals to f of t and y equals to g of t, another function. The function inside another function. So here what is the z is called composite function of a single variable t. If you observe here the only one variable now, so that's why you are calling the single variable t. If you are going to the second note, z equals to u of x comma y, where x equals to f of r comma f, y equals to g of r comma f, then z is called a composite function of two variables r and f. So here u of x comma y is one function z equals to. So inside another two functions that is called as x equals to f of r comma s and y equals to g of r comma s. Okay, here the two variables, what is it, r comma s. Okay, now we are going to write the chain rule of partial differentiation. So this is a theorem, it doesn't require the theorem, just to write that formula. Let f equals to, sorry, so I am going to take the another function. Let u equals to f of r comma s comma t, where r equals to phi of x comma y comma z, s equals to xi of x comma y comma z, t equals to some g of x comma y comma z. So here I am going to return dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay. The u in terms of r comma s comma t. So that's why I return with respect to x, y, z. So I am going to return dou u by dou r. So if in terms of r, again we will write the differentiation of r with respect to x. Is that right? Dou r by dou x. Plus in the same manner we will write that dou u by dou s, the second function. So again we will write that dou s by dou x. So similarly we will write dou u by dou t by dou x. The second one, dou u by dou y equals to, write that the same manner, dou u by dou r by dou y, plus dou u by dou s by dou y, plus dou u by dou t by dou y. So last one, dou u by dou z, you will write here dou u by dou r by dou z, plus dou u by dou s by dou z, plus dou u by dou t by dou z. This is the chain rule of partial differentiation. I am going to tell simple manner. What is it function? U equals to, what is it, f of r comma s comma t, is that right, where r equals to phi of x comma y comma z, s equals to xi of x comma y comma z. So comma t equals to sum g of x comma y comma z. Okay. So I'm going to written here. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. How many variables here? 3 variables, x and y and z. X comma y comma z. Is that right? So here u equals to f of r comma s comma t, one function. Now inside another function. So we have the 3 functions now. So that's why I'll write that first simple manner. So what is that? Dou u by dou x. Here I'll write that dou u dou x. We'll write that 3 times. Dou u dou x. Okay. Plus dou u dou x. Okay, clear. So what is the inside of the function? R s t. Simply we'll write that first dou r dou r. Again we'll write that dou s dou s. What is the last one? Dou t dou t. In simple manner we will remember. Okay. What is the next one? Here also same manner we'll write that dou u dou y plus dou u dou y plus dou u dou y. So here also r comma s comma t, no? So we'll write dou r dou r, dou s dou s, dou t dou t. So here also we'll write that dou u, okay, dou z. 3 times we'll write that dou u dou z plus dou u dou z. So how many functions here? 3 functions. Now we'll write that dou r dou s dou s, dou t dou t. Okay. So what is the dou u by dou x here? What is the dou u by dou x here? Dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x, the first one. The for dou u by dou y, you'll write dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. Okay. The last one dou u by dou z. So dou u by dou r by dou z plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. Okay. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. If you subscribe this video, then you will get the further notifications. Thank you.